It has been a widely held belief that products manufactured overseas are lacking in quality and design. Over the years, the term "made in China" has become a pop culture term, signifying low-cost operations or otherwise inferior products.
Manufacturing location plays a large part into the quality assurance program. Our factories are in Xiamen, China, for the reason of quality management. Since most of founding members and managements are from Taiwan, the similar dialect and the cultural backgrounds makes the communication goes much more efficient between management and the factory crews. This helps on production lead time and also the quality control.
In today's global market, the rise of international trade means that more people have access to an incredible amount of products, goods, and services almost anywhere on the planet. And at the facility in Chicago, we met up with Joseph Carbonera at Food Service Equipment and Supplies magazine.
In a global trade situation, what happens is you're working with vendors and partners that are seeing a whole lot more businesses, a whole lot more solutions, a whole lot more creative approaches. So what it does is it allows us to share solutions, it allows us to share ideas, it allows us to think in ways that we never really would have thought of previously. And that makes businesses, I think, more dynamic, more compelling to the customers that are using them. And global trade really forces you to stay sharp and to be on your game, because you used to look at your competitor used to be the guy 2 doors down or maybe the next town over. Now your competitor could be coming from anywhere in the world.
Technology and communications impact the trade goods and services internationally. It reduces the distance of communications and it enhances the efficiency of the service. So the products manufacturers overseas can have quality control in real time.
Thunder Group is an international one-stop shop for restaurant equipment. And Thunder Group is looking to fight the misconception that imported goods are inferior to domestically produced items.
我是年轻的时候是在基隆。我是台湾基隆出生的，在小时候的台湾是一个农业社会，经济嘛不是说很发达，但是我们家族从小就是说还是要做生意比较有前途，所以说我们以家族的性质来创立一个。早期是台风公司，做一个小生意起家。
Thunder Group, established in 1956, specializes in highly durable, virtually unbreakable dinnerware and drinkware for the restaurant and hospitality industries.
Thunder Group has been in food service industry for over 50 years. We currently over 4,000 items to serve our customers, from product line from front of the house to back of the kitchen as a one-stop supplier. Thunder Group manufactures melamine dinnerwares, plasticwares, and also polycarbonate drinkware lines.
Products made by Thunder Group are comprised of advanced materials, such as melamine and polycarbonate. These materials not only allow for a stylish product, they are virtually unbreakable.
Melamine dinnerware is currently being used, including but not limited to restaurants, fast food chains, bowling alleys, food trucks, also schools, institutions, hospitals, and military bases. Melamine dinnerware are mainly used in areas where people want to stay away from breakage and also to stop from reordering and replacing the broken pieces.
Because Thunder Group manufactures its own melamine, products can be designed in any weight, shape, size, and form.
Unlike metal, melamine doesn't rust. Unlike ceramic or porcelain, melamine is a break-resistant material and also can be commercial dishwasher use and also can stand the heats up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. It can be reused after cleaned or sanitized.
Thunder Group was established in northern Taiwan in a small town called Keelung. Originally started as a small family-owned factory, Thunder Group eventually grew into one of the largest international distributors of smallware. Today, Thunder Group's facilities span over 1 million square feet, including 3 locations in the U.S.
Thunder Group is one of the largest broadline food service master distributors in the United States. We market 4,000 items and signature brands globally.
To learn more, Business Update traveled to various locations across the world to gain a first-hand perspective of Thunder Group. And at the facility in Greenwood Village, Colorado, we met up with Christy Sumner of FoodServiceWarehouse.com.
The types of products that Thunder Group offers is everything from what you would use in a commercial kitchen as far as kitchen supplies, cookware, and also what you would use in the dining room, so all of your tabletop products. And that's where you need to make an impact with your restaurant customers. And Thunder Group has everything that you need to make that the best experience possible. What an owner of a commercial kitchen is looking for as far as products is the best quality product at the most economical price that they can get it. With Thunder Group, you're able to get the more popular US-made products in a more economical version that has essentially the same quality and durability that you would get with the US manufactured product.
In 2009, Thunder Group released its line of polycarbonate drinkware. This began an exciting change of direction for the restaurant industry, one that is only beginning to take hold.
I was a little leery until I got some samples, and I was extremely impressed. The hand feel of the polycarb is pretty extraordinary. It's very, very much like a traditional piece of glass. It really comes down to a reduction of liability. You do not have broken glass on the floor of your venue. And when you have kids walking around barefoot, this is a huge factor. Some other factors actually do trickle down, such as reduction of your liability insurance. I was floored when my carriers told me that this was a major consideration. And when I told them that we were going with polycarbonate only, they were extremely happy and rewarded us with better rates.
When Thunder Group designs our polycarbonate drinkware, we're not just designing a product to sell in the market. We put end users' concerns and also their availability and liability concerns into the design concept. Therefore, our product can maximize the incomes and also reduce the liability for our customer. And this is why Thunder Group's polycarbonate drinkware has been such a success. Polycarbonate material is a recyclable material itself. At the end of its life cycles, our consumer can bring the product directly into the recycling centers. The product will be shipped to a different industry and continue to be put to use. For example, plastic seat bench in the park and also plastic structures such as patios.
Over the years, Thunder Group has maintained a firm commitment to environmental consciousness. This eco-friendly approach is most apparent in their line of high-quality, energy-saving tankless water heaters.
Tankless water heater, by using less energies, emitting less polluting greenhouse emissions, and also on-demand water heatings, the tankless water heater is more eco-friendly than other water heating systems. Tankless water heaters can last up to 20 years, sometimes doubling its longevity than other tank-style units.
Thunder Group continues to provide the highest in quality and design for an industry filled with hungry consumers. And as the restaurant industry makes a transition to a more environmentally friendly way of thinking, one thing is clear. Like its products, Thunder Group's commitment to quality is indestructible.
Thunder Group is headquartered in Los Angeles, California, and manufactures products in different areas of Asia. With employees from diverse cultures and speak multiple languages, we have a better understanding of what countries outside the United States needs. I believe we can fit into the international marketplaces rather well.
For more information, visit www.thundergroup.com or call 626-935-1605.